Welcome to the in front of me SONY Xperia 5 Mark III, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go to the settings application, and right now you'll see the sound section. Go there, and as can you see, you got here the ringtone notification volume. Just to change it, swap with the finger this dot to the left or to the right side. And also we got the second way. Just here on the right side of your phone you got the volume buttons. Just tap on one from these volume buttons, and here you'll see the settings icon. Go there, and just by the same way swipe with your finger this dot to the left or to the right side by this way. And just to save all the changes, tap here to done. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.